Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I'll be doing a oil change on my 2019 Ram 1500 Classic. It's equipped with a 5.7 liter Hemi, and this is all we're going to be using, the 5W20 fully synthetic. This is my second oil change on this truck. Has currently 10,000 miles on it. I like to do them every 5,000 miles. And it's just 5W20 full synthetic Mobile 1. This is the filter here. There's the part number if you guys need it. And to do this job, all you're going to need is just your filter wrench. You need a 3/8 drive with a 1/2 inch socket there. So getting started here with the oil change, I like to just take off the top here, the filler cap. Let some air in. That way when we go down there and crack it open, let it drain. The air goes through the engine, lets it drain pretty good. Now before I drained it, I did start the engine to let it run a little bit, just to get the oil to the top. You don't want to start it completely dry after you drain it. After you fill it back up, that way you have a little oil up there. So let's go ahead and get down there and drain it. Show you how that's done. Alright, so now that we're down here, I'm going to go ahead and crack it open, start draining it. Make sure you have your oil pan down there, catch the oil coming out. And you can just loosen it by hand the rest of the way. And there it goes. So just let that drain for a bit. Let it drain pretty good. It should just trickle out a little bit. You're going to put your drain plug back on. And then you're going to go in front. We'll show you where that is. And unscrew the oil filter. And then let that drain and then put the new one back on. Alright, so now we're down to like a slow trickle there. That's pretty good. I mean, it'll drain forever if you let it, but it's been about 20 minutes now. It's pretty good drained out. See, that's just dripping there. Let's clean that off. Put your filler plug back in. You want to clean it before you put it back on, because it's like a little magnet. It gets all the little microscopic metals, you know, that these new engines have after braking. So there. You want to just tighten it up. Not too tight. I mean, you can feel it. That's pretty good. That looks good. Clean it off. And that part is done. We'll get to the front and go ahead and change that filter off. Alright guys, you can see we're here like in the front of the vehicle. I just slid through the front. And your filter is going to be... Oh, this is hard to get, but you have this cross member here with your sway bar, and then your filter is going to be right there, which is a terrible place that Ram puts it. So you're going to want to unscrew that, and it's going to drain over some suspension components, which will be fine. You can just clean it up. You'll just let it drain out. Then slide that filter out through the front here, in front of your cross member. And then I don't pre-fill mine, I'll show you that part, but I really can't show taking it out just because of the angle it's in. But once it's out, we'll put the new one back in and then fill it up with oil. So we'll do that. Alright, so here's your new filter here. This is the new one we're going to be putting on. I like to just grab some of the old oil from here, from the pan. Just go around the ring so it doesn't stick. So we're going to clean all that up real quick and throw that on. I mean, as you can see, it makes a little bit of mess. You can see it draining back there. But that's your filter there, it's a little bitty filter. And you just got to clean off, like I said, all that oil off of all those parts. And you'll just go ahead and stick your filter right back up there and we'll be good. Alright, so now we're going to fill it up with oil. So I like to start with the big, the 5 quart right here. Go ahead and start filling it up. I like to use a funnel there just because it's a lot easier. And this is one of those little fat funnels, so it's hard to spill it. So just make sure your filter's really clean. You don't want any dust particles or any kind of dirt getting in your engine. You want to keep it as clean as possible. Let that drain out. So I'll do a total of 6. And I'll check the level. It should take 6.5 to 7. So we'll do the first 6, check it, see how much we need to put. Do another half, check it again, and then if it needs more, just fill up until you're good on your dipstick line. So right now, we're about right here, a little below the second little hole there. That's your fill hole. Says you're full. We're about right there. So we're gonna start it, fill up that oil filter, and then turn it back off, let it cool down, check it again, and then fill it up until we're right there. So that was with 6 quarts. So I'm thinking it's probably gonna take another half because that filter's so small. So we'll go ahead, start it up, and check it again. Alright guys, so there you go. It did take the whole 7 quarts. So I'm gonna put the cap back on. So it did take 7 quarts of oil for these trucks here for the 5.7. So now we're going to get inside and show you how to reset your oil life back to 100%. Alright, so here we are in the inside of the vehicle. And that's your oil life. It shows you right there. I'm at 48% at 10,000 miles. It's been 5,227 since I changed it. So what you want to do is you'll use your keypads here. And that scrolls up and down. See, that's your miles per hour. You just scroll down. And then your truck does have to be on the on position, but the truck won't be running. So you'll use this button here. And you'll hold it. So once you push it, you'll just hold it. You scroll down. Push OK to confirm reset. There you go. It takes a little while. It doesn't do it right away. So you might think you have to keep on doing it, so see, you can do it again. There it goes. So sometimes I guess it's a glitch or whatever, but there you go, you're at 100%. And I'll just change it again at another 5,000, so I'll be like at 15,000 the next time I change it. So there you go guys. That's pretty much an oil change. It probably took about, it usually takes around under 30 minutes to do this. It took a little longer because I was recording, but I hope this helps somebody, you know, help answer some questions. So there we go. If you can, please like, subscribe, and comment below. If you have any questions, I'll be able to answer them. There you go. So let's go ahead and start it up. There you go. Oh, gotta put some washer fluid. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.